was happy when my son left for school. I just felt like, oh, if he goes to school now, I have time to do a lot, no distractions. I can cook, clean, keep the house tidy, sleep. But this is just to 11, and I miss him so much. I miss him so much, too much. I miss him. I'm about to cry. I don't know. I've never been apart from my son for even a day, for even an hour. I haven't. It's just been me and him since from the day he was born till now. And so this is hard. I just want to have a baby girl time, but then there's no baby girl time. I miss my son. I was even saying I'll take the opportunity to make my hair, but see me, I'm still here. I don't even plan on going out. I just miss him so much. I miss him so much. So I'll just look for something to distract myself with. Maybe, I don't know. But I really need a distraction right now. I just can't stop thinking about him. You won't even believe it. I had to go and start looking at his pictures. I miss him. Oh my God. I didn't think this was going to be hard. But what I just said at school, he will still go tomorrow.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. You did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours.
And so I also fixed my nails. Okay, this is the first time I'm fixing this year. I just fixed my big toenail and then I just painted the rest. It's been a while I did this. So what do you think? Is it fine? Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? It's been a while I've spoken in any of my videos. I know I've just had a lot to do this video. That's why I've been doing silent vlogs instead. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. You're fine. I'm so glad to be gracing your screen once again. So yesterday I made my hair and yeah, I came back very late. That's why I couldn't show you guys the full look. So I'm in the kitchen now. I'm clearing the dishes. I have a lot to do in this kitchen today, and I'm going to carry you guys along. So but first let me show you my hair, then I'll pack it back. So I went to the salon yesterday. The plan was just to wash my hair and then come back and then book an appointment to make my hair today. But then when I went there, I just noticed that they weren't busy. They were not busy, so I just decided to use the opportunity to braid my hair. So ta-da! What do you think about my hair? I love it so much. Let me turn the back for you. See, I love my hair. So yeah, what do you think? I think it looks really nice. Okay, yeah, it looks really nice. So I'm just going to cover it back up so it doesn't, it's just all over the place now. I'm going to cover it back up and then get right into what we're doing now. So when I just noticed that, oh, they were free, I just used the opportunity. I think I got there like to 4 in the evening. I just decided to use the opportunity to braid my hair. Oh dear God, it has been a stressful week for me. Really stressful.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young.
I was the one that did this thing like this. So. See. So hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So I've been trying to get some gadgets, some stuff from my YouTube channel, and then though I've not gotten everything I want, but then yeah, we're making progress. So let me show you to my baby. So I got a ring light. I think this is about 14 inches. Yeah, so let's unbox it together. My son is just being extra. I've not tried to fix this myself, but then I'll just show you guys what it looks like. Ooh. Zay, leave it. So this is it. Our videos are going to start making sense now. So yeah, this is it. This is the ring light. This is 14 inches, and yeah. So the next thing I'm planning to buy, I haven't gotten yet, would be my mic. I've been wanting to get that. The cheapest I saw was around 15,000 or so. That's the cheapest. So pray for me so I can buy that. And then this is the, don't touch it. Do not touch it. Then this is the tripod that came with it. Yeah. So this is the tripod. This is what it looks like. It's very tall. I just don't want to open it now. But then yeah. So yeah, this is the tripod. Let me put it back. I think I'm still going to take it back to the store I got. It's been a while I got this. I think I got it last week. Was it last week? I think so. But I've been trying to fix it, to couple it together, and it's been hard. So I think I'm going to take it to the store today so they can show me how to couple it together. Yeah, so say congratulations in the comment section. Congratulate me. Congratulations to all. Yay. So yeah, so this is my new gadget that I got, and I'm excited. We're making progress. Okay, we're making progress. I just need to get my mic, and then I think I need like a table phone holder. Yeah, my tripod stand is beginning to have issues, so I just want a portable one, a small one that I can take around, you know. But since I've not gotten that yet, we're trusting God that will get that soonest. So yeah, so this is a step in the right direction, and I'm excited. So I just thought to show you guys my new baby. I tried on it. I've seen the different lights that it has, and yeah, I love it. I love it so much. I love it. How much did I get this for? Like I said, this is 14 inches ring lights, and I got this for how much? Do I remember? I think I got this for 30,000. Yeah, I got this for 30,000 in case you're planning to buy. Yeah, that's how much I got the 14 inches of this ring light. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So I'll be going back to the store later today. Don't touch it though. I'll be going back to the store later today so they can show me how to fix it. I tried fixing it. They fixed it there, but then I thought it was going to be easy when I come back home, but it was hard. So I go to the store and watch them fix it, so they show me, because when we tried fixing it, it was shaking. So I want to know how to fix it better so I can start using this baby. I'm excited. Congratulate me in the comment section, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you. I don't know if I'll add a clip to this video. If I do, fine, and then if I don't, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.